The live cost of apecoin is $76,660,276. Chimp coin cost might arrive at a high of $4.22 toward the finish of 2024. Apecoin with an expected flood could arrive at a limit of $21,642 toward the finish of 2030. The market addressed a varying arrangement of suppositions on apecoin. While some regarded it as an image coin, others anticipated that its air pocket should explode. Notwithstanding, since its commencement, Primate has made some amazing progress and has confronted business disturbance. Apecoin Primate is a digital money that takes motivation from eminent NFT collectibles, the Boat Gorilla Yacht Club, which is the greatest NFT project by market capitalization. It left everybody bewildered when the cost hit its record-breaking high inside a simple several hours of its send-off. Alternately, the organization behind the Bake Yuga Labs is going past the degree of creativity to drive metaverse culture by means of apecoin. Is it true or not that you are one of the many actually enthused about jumping on apecoin's fad yet suspicious of its profits? Dread not, as this review represents the doable cost expectations for 2024-2030 and the years to come. Do you likewise need to comprehend the essential language of crypto and supportive of crypto dealers? Here is an aid for you to comprehend what digital money is. Apecoin Value Forecast, February 2024. The apecoin cost exchanged to shut reached somewhere in the range of $13.94 and $15.12 for a concise period, following which the market lost energy and the chimp cost separated the help level. After this, the cost exchanged sideways for some time, demonstrating a feeble trading strain on the lookout for the coin. As the market unpredictability developed, the bulls recaptured energy and recorded a leap of 20% in esteem prior to confronting dismissal at $674, after which the coin exchanged sideways for a period. After various bombed endeavors, the apecoin effectively broke out of the opposition level and showed an impartial pattern for some time. As of late, the market recaptured force, recorded a leap of roughly 6%, and is nearly trying its obstruction level, the result of which is unsure. The specialized pointer RSI keeps on floating near the overbought range, demonstrating an expansion in the trading strain for the coin on the lookout. Further, the midpoints show a steady ascent, recommending the cost will keep acquiring esteem in the approaching time. On the off chance that the market pushes the cost over the obstruction level of $856, the bulls will recover energy and plan to test its upper opposition level of $2 in the impending weeks. On the other hand, on the off chance that a pattern inversion happens, the cost will lose energy and tumble to test its lower cutoff of $674 this month. Chimp Value Expectation 2024. The developing unmistakable quality of NFTs Bake and Make would be basic in the development of apecoin. Further enhanced by advancements in local area building drives, chimp cost could move to its likely high of $4.22. Interestingly, results like negative patterns or a market slump could sink the cost to $539. Progressively, the absence of force could finish up the year at $780. Apecoin had made its presence on the 17th of Walk 2022, with a sticker price of $19,605. The gigantic spike on the main day prompted the wick brushing an ATH of $39.4, after a pullback to $8.5 on the 18th of spring. The cost heightened up to $15.32 by the 28th of spring. Apecoin Value Expectation 2025. The producers of the computerized resource have overwhelmed the business. The fortification of Bake NFTs has been a live wire in driving the cost of Gorilla. In the event that things emerge according to the vision of the creators, and if NFTs, DAOs, and Metaverse keep on tempting people, the value expectation of the altcoin could push it to its likely high of $49.49. On the other hand, ebbing predominance and potential adversaries could bring the value down to $9.40. The typical cost could settle at $34.44 in view of bullish and negative targets. Apecoin Value Expectation 2026. The cost of apecoin is supposed to arrive at a high of $6,483 by 2026 and a normal of $4,539. Notwithstanding, the cost could drop to $5.96. Apecoin Value Forecast 2027. The Apecoin 2027 conjecture anticipates that the Gorilla coin cost should be high at $793. Be that as it may, a remedy in view of market deficiencies might drive the Gorilla crypto to $3,751, with a normal of $6,272. Apecoin Value Expectation 2028. In 2028, the cost of a solitary apecoin is expected to arrive at least $4,913, with a limit of $11,033 and a typical cost of $7,973. Apecoin value expectation 2029. By 2029, Chimp's cost is anticipated to arrive at least $65096, with the possibility to hit a limit of $15,236 and a normal of $10.9916. Apecoin value forecast 2030. The Chimp crypto cost is projected to arrive at another high of $20.642 in 2030, with an expected low of $8.816 and a typical cost of $15,229. We have made a table that incorporates the conceivable cost expectation for a similar token made by other crypto experts on their separate stages. The objectives referenced above are the typical targets set by the individual firms. Major examination. Apecoin is the utility and administration badge of Yuga Labs driving NFT Tri, Board Primate Yacht Club. On various NFT commercial centers, Bake offers north of 10,000 particular and creative traits of costly primate workmanship. The ongoing board of Apecoin incorporates Alexis Ohanian, Amy Wu, Yatsu, Maria Bajwa, and dignitary Steinbeck. All things being equal, Apecoin is something that neither Yuga Labs nor the Bake devs have created. Apecoin is governed by the Apecoin DAO, with the Guerrilla Establishment or local area as the strong group. On Walk 17, 2022, Apecoin was delivered and recorded on probably the most pervasive trades: Binance, FTX Trade, Coinbase, and so forth. It was likewise airdropped to all Bake financial backers and connected to different NFT indexes. The Freak Primate Yacht Club and the Exhausted Chimp Pet Hotel Club have additionally taken on Apecoin. Apecoin is an ERC20 token, a sort of Ethereum-based virtual cash. Virtually every major incorporated crypto trade recorded the token almost following its delivery. Apecoin had a market valuation of nearly $2 billion soon after a day of streaming into the market. One gorilla is worth roughly $14. It's basically an impression of a desire to interface various decentralized improvements. Yuga Labs, the task's designers, have referenced that Apecoin will turn into the token and coin primate token for all creative items their enterprise reveals, shifting from money to the executives' tokens. Apecoin has without a doubt been made to deliver Yuga Labs' all's arrangements for the future in the cryptographic money world as both a virtual cash and a primate token for flexibility. Past that, Apecoin proprietors have the ability to administer themselves by utilizing the decentralized administration system that controls the Apecoin DAO Decentralized Independent Association. They can likewise decide on how well the Apecoin DAO biological system asset ought to be utilized. Authentic Market Feelings 2022-2023. The Apecoin value began to exchange at $1 on spring 17th. It immediately rose above 766.45% in the initial 24 hours to its ATH of $27.933. Negative patterns in the business prompted a fall of more than 80%, bringing about the cost to exchange at $6,004 before the year's over. The year 2023 was a negative one for Apecoin as it lost more than 57% during this time and closed the year with a sticker price of $659. Has committed a group of